Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 27th, 2021, and I'm going to be planting some Snapdragon Tall Deluxe mixed seeds today. Now normally I start these in February. I'm getting a later start on them, so they're going to kind of be later summer, kind of a fall crop for me. So I have my little 4-pack here, and I have it filled with Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. And you can see here, whoops, how teeny Snapdragon seeds are. Now, these germinate in about 7 to 14 days. And you want to surface sow your seeds. You don't want to cover them. So I'm going to be putting about 2 seeds per cell here. And I can prick out the extra ones. Oops. And you can see I'm just dropping the seed on the soil surface. So the next thing to do is to get these misted and labeled. So I'm just going to take and gently mist over these. And have it set to mister here. There we go. And I'm going to get these put in a tray on the heated floor after I get them labeled. And when they start germinating, I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is April the 6th, 2021, and on April the 1st, my Snapdragon seeds started germinating. So I went ahead and I took them out of the container that I had them in on the floor, and I took them off of the heated floor and put them up here on the shelves in the greenhouse. So the extra seedlings that came up, I'm going to go ahead and prick those out then. When they get a little bit larger, I have videos on my channel for how to prick out your seedlings when more than one comes up in a cell, or if you're sowing them like in a flat. And they'll get transplanted into another pack. So when these start getting their true leaves, I'm going to start feeding them with 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food to 1 gallon of water. And I'll feed them 1 time a week with that mixture to help get them off to a good start. Now you never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root systems on them, and we don't want to do that. We want to feed our plants and get them growing nice and strong, and by feeding them it's going to help to establish that root system. Now I did decide to do an entire flat of these, which I have over here, and I have an entire flat here. Now these just started coming up not too long ago, and they weren't sowed too thickly, so if I have to, I might throw some more seeds in. That one there kind of has some coming up kind of in a little clump there, but just decided for a later crop of some pretty Snapdragons. Now these will go out after the danger of frost has passed. Your Snapdragons are more cold hardy than most of your annuals, but being that they're going to be so little and they're young plants, they're not going to be hardened off to the coolness, so they're not going to get put out until after the danger of frost. And they will need to be hardened off before you take them outside. Now I do have videos on my channel for how to harden your seedlings off, especially if you're growing them indoors under lights. Now these kind of harden off some in the greenhouse, because even though we have the heat on, it still does get cooler in here at night. And, you know, we get the doors open when we can and let the fresh air in. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!